Side effects of eating chicken daily. For a non-vegetarian, chicken is definitely one of the foods you will consume frequently. Or you may be an avid gym goer, and chicken breasts have been a regular part of your diet for you to reach your protein and nutritional goals. Ever wondered if there will be any side effects to your health? If you find the video useful, please click the like button and share it with others. Subscribe for more future content. Doubted one of the more nutritious meats, and additionally being cheap and easy to cook, chicken is a crowd favorite. As long as it is prepared in a proper manner, eating baked, grilled and sautéed chicken is a healthy choice. Unless you are frequently having heavily fried, salted and breaded chicken, it will come with the unwanted health outcomes. In this video we will look at both the bad and good side effects of consuming chicken daily. Let's start with the positives, if you consume them in the correct way. 1. Stronger bones. When talking about bones, calcium and vitamin D will be discussed. However, protein is an essential nutrient that prevents osteoporosis and keep your bones healthy and strong too. 2. Higher satisfaction during your meal. Having a high-protein source during meals will allow you to feel satisfied, which may help you resist the much unhealthy snacks after meals. 3. Improved memory. Chicken contains choline and vitamin B12, which helps your memory and brain perform better. Therefore, having chicken can be brain-boosting too. 4. Better sense of well-being. The magic content in chicken that allows you to feel good is tryptophan. Tryptophan will increase the levels of serotonin in our body, and low levels of serotonin will cause depression. 5. Feel more energetic. This will especially be for those who suffer from anemia, and you will feel more tired often. Consuming chicken will allow you to enjoy a boost of iron, making you feel more energetic. 6. Better heart health. This is better achieved if you consume lean parts of chicken, like having chicken breast. Avoid the unnecessary butter and seasonings. Being in a healthy eating habit will result in a reduction in bad LDL cholesterol. 7. Better fertility. If you happen to be trying to conceive, you may like to have more chicken. This is regardless of one being a male or female. Those who have poultry seem to have enhanced fertility and improved semen quality in men. We shall now look at the bad side effects of having chicken every day. 1. Increased cholesterol. If you love fried chicken and you regularly eat them, you will have a higher cholesterol level. Opt for those which are boiled or grilled. Chicken on its own, without cooking, may already raise cholesterol levels in our body. 2. Higher body temperature. Having chicken will increase your body overall temperature, and having them daily can be bad for you. Consume enough water to keep your body cool. 3. Weight gain. Having them buttered, breaded and in unhealthy dishes will increase your calories. Having them on a daily basis will just make things worse, leading to obesity. Therefore, just watch your caloric intake and only have them once a while. 4. Poultry pathogens. This largely depends on the manufacturing and preparation process of the chicken itself, before they end up in our stores for purchase. There has been reports that there is a rise of foodborne illness due to the consumption of chicken. Chicken, like other meats, can easily be contaminated with harmful germs. If possible, do some research into the companies and their preparation process, and buy them from a trusted brand. 5. May cause urinary tract infections. Some scientists found E. coli in most meat samples during research, and this is also mostly found to be positive among patients who eat meat often. E. coli will cause urinary tract infections along with other infections. 6. Sodium concern. Chicken naturally contains sodium, therefore, if you are consuming in greater quantities, you might be consuming too much sodium. The bottom line. As we can see, too much of chicken may not a good thing. When looking at food, do have a variety so that you do not miss out on important nutrients. Instead of having only chicken every day, explore having beans, legumes and other options which chicken does not provide. That being said, eating chicken is still safe. Just exercise some caution and keep in mind the pointers shared earlier. Enjoy your chicken meals. For weekly health short videos, stay in tune by liking and subscribing. Thank you for watching.